Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bhagwat Wankede. Today I will discuss the topic of pharmacovigilance, and that topic name is which is the criteria that required for reporting of adverse drug reactions. There are four main criteria required for reporting of adverse drug reaction. Before that, we will see about what is the adverse drug reaction, what is the pharmacovigilance, and what is the classification of adverse drug reactions. These all things are we discuss in this topic. So first of all, what is the pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities in relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of the adverse drug reactions. Prevention of adverse drug reaction or adverse event or any other drug related problems. Detection, assessment, these things are done by the physicians. Physicians are detect that adverse drug reaction severe or non-severe and that reported by physicians or reported by consumer also. After that, what is the adverse drug reaction? Adverse drug reaction is unwanted, untoward and unintended reaction that caused due to the suspected drugs, and that reaction is harmful to the patients or to the consumer. Then what kind of adverse drug reaction? There are different types of adverse drug reactions, in which we will see classification of adverse drug reaction, in which this classification given by Wills and Brown. And this classification, first class is type A. Type A means augmented type of reactions. It is the pharmacologically predictable, pharmacologically unpredictable, and it causes adverse drug reactions. After that, type B means bizarre type of reaction. It is the pharmacologically predictable, and this is also causes to the adverse drug reaction. After type C means chronic type of adverse drug reaction. It causes chronic or life-threatening reactions by some drugs. After that, type D means delayed type of reactions. After that, type E means end of treatment. Whenever the end of treatment of some drug, after that some withdrawal symptoms can see, and that for the withdrawing of that drug, due to withdrawing of that drug, some kinds of adverse reaction are causes. After that, F means familial type of adverse reaction. After that, G means genotoxicity. Genotoxicity means it's adverse reaction caused by the defective genes, and it causes the parents to offspring also. And then H means hypersensitivity reactions. Hypersensitivity reaction is also known as the allergic reaction. It is causes due to some kinds of adverse drug reaction of some kind of drugs. After that, U means unclassified reactions. All these reactions or adverse drug reaction reported through the different types of reporting forms. It is also reported by email, fax and social media also. And it can report by the consumer, physicians, and relative of the patients also. And adverse drug reaction reporting form, first one is spontaneous reporting. Spontaneous reporting means reporting of adverse drug reaction. It is a quick type of reporting. Whenever the HCPs and consumers can report adverse drug reaction whenever the serious type of adverse drug reaction causes. After that, spontaneous reporting is also known as unsolicited reporting or unorganized reporting. After that, solicited reporting is the organized reporting, and it is organized by the regulatory authority and collected the adverse reaction, collected of organized data by the patients and HCPs through the scheme, campaign and survey. After that, for reporting of this adverse reaction, there are 4 minimum criteria are required. First one is identifiable patients. Patient should be identifiable. After that, identifiable source, reporting source should be identifiable. After that, identifiable patient, identifiable source, and identified to suspected drug should be identifiable. And after that, at least or minimum one adverse effect can be identifiable, should be identifiable. These all minimum four criteria required for the reporting of adverse drug reaction to the regulatory authority and to the company also. This is all about today's topic. Thank you.